leave Hanoi and head southwest. Our route leads us to Hoa Binh province. On winding roads, we ascend into the mountains. After a 3-hour drive, we reach the Mai Chau region. The ethnic Thai are one of Vietnam's 50 different ethnic minorities who live in this area. They speak a different language and maintain their own traditions. Most of the people live in houses on wooden stilts to protect them against the floods. They make a living by farming rice and tending livestock. The mild climate of North Vietnam allows 1 or 2 rice-growing seasons per year. For most families, the yield is just enough to meet their own needs. The Vietnamese language uses the same word for food and rice. Rice is the staple food for many, but for farmers like Va Thao, farming rice is a daily struggle. Everything is done by hand because they can't afford machines, and the returns are meager.